on JBJ, we are doing the Hot Wheels Ultimate Garage. Jude has 3 cars, I have 3 cars. Whoever wins the most rounds with their cars will win.
We'll go to the finals.
Okay, so, do you put this up, right?
Oh, no, put down.
Oh, you put it down?
What? Actually, whatever you want. I know, up.
Okay.
Donut.
Okay, now, Jude, you can get your car at the starting line. Which car do you want first? Okay, you want your really speedy car?
I can't see Donut.
Okay,
Donut.
3, 2, 1. I won! I think play. Yeah, play. I killed it. What kind is this? I know. Oh, by the way, this one's... Yeah, but my car's really fast too. So now pick your second car, Jude. Oh, your second car. Pick it. Okay.
You can't see.
No, it's not. It's no match for my shiny red car. 3, 2, 1, go. That's a tie.
No.
I'm going to fall with this. No, but we both hit the wall. Yeah, try this again. Actually, yeah, actually you did win. So now it's a tie game.
Oh, guys, do you want to trade for this fire truck?
Oh, you know what the good thing is?
Guys, do you want to trade for this fire truck?
No.
Why?
Wait, that's one way. Is it right? Wait, it's this way. Yeah. I won! I was like totally loud. And yours, because my cars are way fast.
Get up!
So,
Hop on forever.
I am Jonah. I actually just won this challenge. But, Jude, would you just like to do one big race just for fun? And this time we're going to pick cars that we don't have. So pick so pick any card you want. Done. So this round's just going to be for fun.
Dude, if you win, you'll go to the final. So it's
Right?
fire truck? Wait, is the fire truck relates?
Yeah. I just won.
Do you think fire truck wins?
I think fire truck. Yours didn't even make it all the way through, Jude. Yeah. That's
Everybody, you guys are run to the... Hi, guys. Good job for playing from JBJ. This is the wall. This is the wall.
Okay, I guess I just won the fake round, which was a fun round. See you next time on JBJ. Bye!